So here we can see the box. So just like the one that I showed for the curling iron, is a black box. It has the styling tool in like black and pink. It says Duvolle Desire Series Styling Iron. You have on the side, and it says Professional Salon Model. So when we open the box, we just slide this sleeve, and this is what you see when you open the box. So you have your iron, and of course it's wrapped in a plastic to protect it from scratching in the box. So you take off the plastic, and this is how it looks. You guys know that pink is my favorite color, so of course I love the shade of pink. You have a Duvolle right here. You have high temperature caution, a little sign, and on the other side it says the same. And as you guys can see, it has some texture. This is actually like, you can actually feel it, and I think that's really cool. On here you have the little Duvolle logo, and in the inside you have your settings. So you have the on and off button right here, and you have the little thing to adjust the temperature. Okay, so next you have the cord. So you have to take off this part of the cardboard. So you take it off just like that, and of course you have the rest of the cord, which I'll place right here. And of course you have your instructions, and that's everything in the box. So again, this is how the little instruction pamphlet looks like. It's just a little like booklet. It says user manual, and in the back you have all the information, which is really nice to have when you have any problems with your iron, or you don't know how to use it. You can always look at the instructions. Okay, so now I will let you guys know some key points that I have about the iron, which I'm gonna read off my computer because this is where I have the information. So basically it has floating tourmaline ceramic plates glide over your hair to prevent tugging and enabling quick styling. The tourmaline coating locks in hair's moisture and seals the cuticle level to fend off heat damage. It also has a professional level temperature levels, ensure even precise styling, adjustable temperature settings up to 450 Fahrenheit for customizable styling for your hair type, and the cord is tangle free. And it also comes with the little cord wrap that provides ease and organization. So here I'll have my coupon code, which is for 70% off, and that's Andrea R, which I'll have right here. So basically, if you use my code, you're gonna get the iron for $28.50, which is an amazing price. So now you guys are gonna see how I straighten my hair. So now I'm just gonna take off the little cord wrap right here so I can plug it and turn it on. So I like that it comes with this cord wrap because it's really convenient. Okay, so now it's plugged in. Now we're gonna turn it on. So again, you can see the on and on button. So you turn it on, and a little red dot or a red light here turns on, so you know that it's on and off, of course. And I'm gonna adjust the little knobs to 450 Fahrenheit, just because that's usually where I always put my heat on, just because I have like wavy hair, so it's really hard for me to straighten my hair. So I always need to have it in a high temperature. Of course, I'm no expert, so I'm probably just damaging my hair and I don't even know. So please just don't do the same thing as me. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna be doing while I wait for the iron to get hot is I'm gonna apply some heat protector. So I use the Tresemme heat tamer, heat protection spray. and I spray it all over my hair, and then of course I'm gonna brush it. And yeah, my brush is just the one from Dollar Tree. So basically what I do is that I part my hair in sections. So the first one is just in the middle of my hair. And basically I just do a bun. And I secure it either with a bobby pin or a hair tie. And then I get the section that I separated. So I'm gonna lower my camera angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna brush my hair because, like I said, I have wavy hair, so, and it's blonde, so it gets tangled really easily. Okay, now I'm gonna add some spray. Oh, wait. Let's see. You don't want to add too much because then your hair gets really wet, and you know that's really bad for your hair when you when it's wet and you do the iron. So basically I brush it again just to make sure that the product it's even on the hair or distributes even on the hair. So yeah, and now after that I do another little section like so. This one I put it just on the top of my hair to get it out of the way. And now, oh, so this is really hot. Okay, so I touched the little plates and it's really hot, so I know that it's ready. So please be really careful because you know you're handling a hot tool, and I don't want you guys getting burned. Ooh, this is really nice. It glides on the hair, so smooth. I love it. If you guys want to see the review that I did for the iron, I'll have it somewhere on the screen so you guys can go watch it. Okay, so this is how the hair it's looking. So it's really hard for me because I don't have a mirror. I'm just using the screen from my phone, so I don't really see what I'm doing. I usually get the hairbrush and I kind of do that.
In the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a reckless fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Though we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi.
So now that I'm done with the first section of my hair, I'm gonna get my hair again. I'm gonna get another section of hair. So this is what I do. I'm gonna divide my hair in two. Then I'm just gonna get the section of hair that I just pulled. So this is the one that's straight, so I'm just gonna take it to the back. I'm gonna brush my hair again to make sure that I don't have any knots, it's not tangled. So I'm gonna add the spray and just basically do the same process.
till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a rubber's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rubber's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence without an alibi.
Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Roll a little something like this. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Roll a little something like this.
Okay, so this is the final product. As you guys can tell, my hair is really straight. I really like how straight my hair is. Let me just move the camera a little bit lower. But here it is. It's really straight and I really like how my hair looks like. So I'll probably just do that. Yeah. And basically this is how my hair looks like. I love how straight and smooth it is. Overall, I really have to say that I really love this iron or strainer. I love straining my hair. I love curling my hair. Again, I'll have the video of me curling my hair with the Duvolle curling iron somewhere on the screen, so you guys can go watch it. And my code also works for the curling iron, and that's basically my favorite tool at the moment. I really love it, and I'm gonna continue to get more uses out of this strainer. So again, I'll have my code here, that it's 70% off your purchase. And yeah guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.